Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to schedule an event in a house on the Clubhouse app. If you want to organize your talks and make sure your followers know when to join, this guide will help you do it quickly and efficiently. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Once you are inside, look at the top right and tap on your profile icon. Then, find the house that you created and tap on it to open it. Once the house is open, click on the three-dot menu icon at the top. After that, scroll down and select the option to schedule your next event. Now, enter a name for your event that clearly describes the topic or discussion. Then, choose the date and time for your event to make sure it fits your schedule. If you want the event to repeat regularly, select the repeat option. Next, enter a brief description or suggestion about the subject of the event. You can also decide whether to allow replies from participants by turning the reply option on or off. Finally, click on Create and Share to finalize your scheduled event and let your audience know about it. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching,